So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a margin trading account on the RBC mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go down to the bottom right and press on more. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says products and open an account. On this page, I want you to go to the bottom and press on investments. Now this works for anything, but just go to where it says RBC Direct Investing if you want to have a hands-on approach. Go to where it says RBC Direct Investing, press on that. Now in order to open up a margin trading account, first and foremost, you should be an experienced investor, as margin trading is obviously not for everyone. But if you wanted to open up a margin account, simply just scroll down to where it says choose another account, and I want you to go to where it says margin investment accounts and then press on the drop down right here. So for margin accounts, there's a bunch of different options you can actually select. You can select a joint investment margin account, so two applicants, a group investment account that's also on margin, or a joint group investment account. So for example, if you and a partner or a friend or a sibling, a parent, etc., wanted to have a joint investment account using margin, you can go ahead and press on continue that way and then proceed with the next steps for signing up for a margin trading account. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to open up a margin trading account on the RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.